All right, time to see what I can do in wet conditions. I've never tried this before, but let's give it a shot. Here we go. Should be using my knife for this, but we'll give it a go. No, you're good, brother. You're good. All good, man. How should I do this? Probably poking it downward like that. That's what Dustin would do. Oh, so close. Come on. Even if I can get just that bottom one started up. Come on, come on. Even this piece of paper, anything. Killing me here. That'll do. So right over here is a deer just walking along. I bumped into my new brother over here and we spotted a deer. He's just walking along, all friendly. God, I wish we could feed them, but we can't. Can't feed the deer out here, yeah. Oh, there's another one. Hey guys. They're friendly. This is amazing. Where did he go? I lost him on there. I'll spin the camera around. He's right back in there. There he is. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Wow. Are you friendly? I know I can't feed you, but maybe if you want to come over and say hi. Do you want to come over and say hi? Hello. Hello there. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You want to come say hi? You're comfy? You're happy? Yeah? Look at you guys are so nice. Look at these nice deer. Oh, wow. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, you hear the things snapping and everything. You guys are good. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, yummy crunchy grass. Very good. Oh, yes. I guess if there were bears around here, these two would be the first to know it and they would be running. So a little bit less nervous with these two around. Oh, yeah. Look at the length. Look at the length. They've got like long muscular legs, like these guys can run. That is so cool. Bye guys, bye-bye. You're happy, aren't you? Cause what do you see? What do you see, buddy? Is these mountains? Yeah, or do you like the mountains? Wow. Yeah, you're happy, aren't you? Oh. Oh, Dennis and Carlito on another gigantic adventure. We are up in the mountains right now. This is a tiny little stop that we reached along the main highway that goes through here. And there's mountains in every direction around us. Absolutely so much fun. We're loving it. This is really, really cool. I would recommend Banff to anyone. Fantastic out of 10. Right, buddy? Mwah! Good boy. All right, cheers, guys.